Hi guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I'm going to unbox and show you Fire-Boltt Epic Bluetooth Smartwatch. This I bought it from Flipkart for around 14.99. You can go there and check out. So let's see the features in the box. It's saying it has 1.16 full touch display. It has IP68 water resistant. It has also a couple of inbuilt games and about 120 sports mode. Yeah, let's open and let's see what's inside. Here is the box. Let's see what's inside. So here is the main watch, some user manual, and there is a cable. It's let us see. Yeah, I think it's a magnetic charger. And apart from that, some coupons. Yeah, let's see the watch itself. So you can see the straps are of rubber material. And you can see my initial impressions are this is very lightweight. And let's peel off this cover. Yeah, so, and let's see the back side. You can see it is telling it has a heart rate sensor, IP68 water resistant, has Bluetooth 5.1 also, and I think these are the magnetic pin which will be attached here. So you can see it's magnetic. Yeah, let's turn on. Yeah, we're back. I have charged it to some extent. By default from the box there is no charging, so you can see this is how the watch face looks by default. You can see the time, step and BPM. And let's see, by scrolling down you get messages by default. So on scrolling to the left you can see steps, sleep, measure heart rate, exercise, measure BP, SP02, weather, shutter, music player, breathe, stopwatch, alarm, countdown, flashlight, game, settings. Let's go to the settings. You can see you have a menu option. It has a list view and a grid view. Let's see the grid view and go to the home. So this is how the grid view looks, like an Apple Watch. Let's change it to the normal list view. Yeah, up next is the brightness. You can see this is the max brightness and this is the low brightness. I will keep it in the middle. And we have vibration mode, theater mode. So basically theater mode will turn off the vibration and will keep down the brightness. Yeah, I have switched off. Reset your phone, power off the and about. So these are the basic settings and overview. So this is the home, and if you scroll down like this and you can see quick toggles, so you can adjust the brightness here, and here are the options of Bluetooth, vibration. Let's see the flash. This is how the flash looks. This is the theater mode, and you can see the date. It's not correct as of now. I need to modify it from the app. And this is the battery percentage, you can see. Yeah, so let's open the app. There is a QR code given, and this is the app. You can see DAFIT app. Let's open it, and yeah, let's try to connect this smartwatch with this phone. Add a device, enable. Yeah, you can see it has successfully connected, and you can see the date, everything was modified correctly. Yeah, and also we have multiple watch faces, you can see. I like this one. Yeah, and let's see the features in the app, what else we can do. So one is the notifications, so you can turn on the notifications like phone, hello. Okay, WhatsApp messages also. And yeah, so these are the some of the options. You see others. Yeah, and apart from that you have a alarms option. Yeah, you can set for now I think you can set only 3 alarms. Now there is the camera shutter. So you can say I have clicked on the watch, and you can see it has taken the photo in the phone, so that is another feature. You have the time format and metrics, auto log. So this I will increase to maybe 20 seconds, so that when I on the watch it won't turn off immediately. Control phone music. You can also continuously monitor the heart rate. You can see this is the heartbeat sensor here, and that's your wish, but it will drain the battery of the smartwatch faster, so keep that in mind. So as per the box, it said it will have 7 days of battery life on normal uses. So I will be using this for about 1 week or so, and I will update you in another video. Yeah, apart from that, this is the app interface, and you can see the good thing is also you can connect to the Google Fit app. It is good to see. Yeah, so that's it guys, this is for the initial impressions and unboxing of the Fire-Boltt Epic Smartwatch. So if you like this video guys, please give like, subscribe and share it to your friends, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye.